Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, hi, my name is Paula. This is my humble little corner of the internet. Here on my channel we do kind of lifestyle video, everything beauty, skincare, makeup, hair, clothing, extension, tool, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe, like, and stay, enjoy eyes. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my return subscriber. I love you guys coming back. Thank you for coming back and watching my video and supporting me. So today's video is another video review on this hair extension from this company, Amazing Beauty Hair Extension. I did review the extension on this channel before, if I'm not mistaken, sometime last year. If I'm not mistaken, I have to look up my videos. And they do have amazing hair extension taping like this one. They have clip-ins, ponytails, they have hair tools, accessories, and a lot of things. And the one thing that I like about this company specifically is the variety of hair that they have. All right, so how can I put it that so you can understand what I'm talking about? Sometimes you go to a hair company and they have a few shades of hair, like from light to dark, and that's it. This company actually has already the shades if you want to like ombre, or if you want highlights like this one. So they already have made for you. Some of other companies you actually have, if you want to highlight, you gotta buy one shade and make your own highlight. So if you want ombre, you have to buy a shade and do it yourself. So that's one point that I really like about this company. So let's dig into this little box. I'm going to show you guys how the hair extension come well packed and what come in the box. So I'm just going to show you guys the hair on this video because I have my taping extension already. So I'm not going to be able to show you guys in this video how it actually the hair looks on it. But when I install this hair, because it's gorgeous, it's going to be my next hair extension appointment, probably is coming up in I would say probably 3 weeks from now is going to be when I'm going to be changing my hair. So if that's the 2-3 weeks from now I'm going to be changing, then I'm going to install that hair, and when I have the hair on, I come back here and show you guys how the hair looks installed and beautiful, because it's stunning. They do have very good quality hair. I used hair from them in the past and it was good. So when you open the box, here you have, it comes with one hair clip. That's how the extensions come. I'm going to show you guys. And then you also come here, one of these Ratelcom, I think that's the name, and this is really useful for you install the hair extension, which is super easy to install. You can do it yourself. Here that tells you how to install, wash your hair extension, which is cool. So I left one of the extension closed so you guys can see how they come. And this one, they are 22-inch hair extension. The hair is beautiful. You can see these tape-ins are so beautiful. That's how it comes. It comes very well packed. The hair is so pretty and shiny. So let me just tape out of it here. All right, so this is a 22-inch taping hair extension. Here you have, so this is a 22-inch hair extension, and you guys can see how beautiful they are. And that's gonna be my next shade, because I was in the mood for some highlights, and these look so beautiful. Same identical shade as this one. So this is going to be the next shade that I'm gonna have, and it's so beautiful, so shiny. That's one thing that I love about this hair, is how you can see that the ends actually are very healthy, and the hair actually also is very healthy, very shiny. And normally I like to do this because if you have hair extension that's not healthy, you actually, when you do this, you see like all these small pieces of the hair come, showing. And this one, you can see that the hair is all the way full to the ends, so when you install the hair, you're not gonna have like a 10 ends. It's very beautiful, very soft, and like I said, this is 100% human framing hair, but the hair is super pretty, super, and this hair lasts a long time. If you are somebody who are used to hair extension, you know, if you take a good care of your hair, wash with a sulfate free shampoo, it actually is going to last you a long time. You can actually change the tapes and reinstall the hair, and that's was one thing I forgot to mention. So in the box they also send you some extra tape. Yeah, so if you are somebody like me who doesn't have, you know, a lot of hair, 3 package should do the trick for you, because you can see it is enough hair. But if you like a little fuller, you want a 4-pack. And if you're just looking for length, if you like, you know, you just want a little extra length in your hair, you actually can get away with 2-pack of hair. Like I was saying, the quality of this hair is so beautiful and so amazing, and you actually can change the tapes after you first use and just retape and reinstall, because this hair can last you, you know, at least 2 more use if you take a good care of. And since it is 100% human hair, you can do pretty much everything that you do to your normal hair. You can color, you can bleach, you can cut it, you can style it with hot tools, and nothing's gonna happen to. The only thing that I say is be careful washing. When you wash, make sure you don't put any condition or oil serum near to the tape, because that's definitely gonna make the tape want to break. So this should last you from like a 6. Normally I like in like 8 weeks, that's 2 months, but you know, it can last you a little longer than that. But it's super pretty, it's super easy to install, it's super easy to remove. And if you guys have any question about this company, I will gonna drop in a comment below the link for Amazing Beauty Hair Extension. Alright guys, so if you guys have any question about this hair extension or this company, please drop in the comment below, and I will gonna answer the best as I can when I see it. And I like to say thank you to Amazing Beautiful Hair for making fabulous hair tools and other goodies for us. I see you guys next video.